We're in a very, very long line though.
Okay, guys, so this building is where you pay to get in. We have not bought our season passes yet. I'm just showing you what the scenery looks like in the building. Now, my music was way too loud, so we couldn't have it or we'd get flagged. But this is just a video of what everything looks like, what we have to drive through to get to each beach. There's 2 different beaches, and just wanted to show you. It's lovely out here. Hunting Island took a big beating the last 2 hurricane seasons. There's a lot of repairs that had to be done. The beach itself actually got pushed back a lot. All of these trees down that you can see was just knocked down during the hurricane. That house that we just passed is where the Rangers stay. There used to be a lot more campgrounds, a lot more beach, a lot more everything, but they're still working on it. So every time we go and buy the pass, it's just supporting the island itself because it's really needed a lot of work. I don't know if you can really tell in the video, but there's a lot of trees down. There's a lot of the road's really bumpy, and the camera is shaking a lot because it's all very new. They had to build new roads because a lot of the old ones got washed away. Because this is all very new to us, we did end up getting lost. So we ended up driving in a circle to go back around. Yeah. Oops. This little building you see is the new housing for the bathrooms and the showers. So we brought our lunch and then we ate it on the beach, which was really a lot of fun. I'm about to show North face. Hey, Nora. Now we're leaving. She's upset because she doesn't want to leave. But it was a beautiful trip.